Let's start with a hard truth. Most traders don't fail because they pick the wrong direction on a chart. They fail because their entry is simply too large for their account. A 50-pip move against a micro lot is noise. That exact same move against a standard lot on a small account is a margin call. The MT4 position size calculator solves this. It's a free indicator that removes the manual math and the friction of switching between windows right before you place an order. Instead, you calculate your exact lot size based on your real-time equity directly on the chart. When you remove the friction from calculating your risk, you ensure you actually apply correct position sizing on every single trade. This split screen chart illustrates exactly why this matters. We are looking at two hypothetical traders, Trader A and Trader B. Both start with a baseline balance of $10,000, and both are about to hit a streak of 5 consecutive losses. Trader A uses an aggressive strategy, risking 5% of their total account on each trade. After those 5 losses, Trader A's account drops sharply, in 5 steps down to $7,696, a 23% decline. Now look at Trader B. They use a conservative approach, risking only 1% per trade. Taking the same 5 losses, Trader B's balance sees only a minor dip, landing at $9,513, under a 5% loss. The damage becomes clear when we look at the recovery. To get back to that original $10,000 baseline, Trader A now has to achieve a 30% gain on their remaining balance. Trader B only needs to make up the 5% they lost. Proper percentage-based position sizing protects your capital by automatically scaling down your risk exposure as your account shrinks. To install the tool, first download the file. Then, open your MT4 terminal, go to the top menu, and open your data folder. Inside that data folder, you need to follow a specific path. First, open the folder labeled MQL4, and then open the Indicators subfolder. Once you are inside the Indicators folder, paste your downloaded .ex4 file directly into it. Be careful not to place this file into the Experts folder. That is the most common mistake we see during installation. Routing the file to the Indicators directory ensures your MT4 terminal recognizes the tool as a visual charting aid rather than an automated trading robot. With the file in place, reset the terminal. You can restart MT4 entirely or simply right-click the Navigator panel and select Refresh. Find the newly added indicator in your Navigator list and double-click it to attach it to your active chart. This opens the settings window. Look for the Risk Percent input field. We'll set this to 1.0 to match the conservative strategy seen earlier. The calculator intelligently bases its math on mark count equity rather than your balance. This means it factors in the floating profit or loss of any trades you currently have open. On your chart, you'll see a horizontal line. Click and drag this line to the exact price level where you want to place your stop loss. Then click the lot size button on the floating panel to instantly reveal the correct trade size. This visual drag-and-drop workflow bridges the gap between doing complex risk math in your head and executing your trades rapidly without stress. Depending on your broker, you might run into a minor roadblock. Some brokers add proprietary suffixes to their standard currency pair names, like USD-I or USD-Pro. If you try to use the calculator and nothing happens, check the bottom terminal panel. Under the Experts tab, you will see an unknown symbol warning if your broker uses suffixes. The fix is immediate. Open the indicator's input settings again. Locate the field labeled Symbol Suffix and type in just the specific extra letters your broker uses. Entering this suffix realigns the calculator's pip value math with the unique data feed of your specific broker, restoring perfect accuracy. A quick note on non-standard assets. While the tool is flawless for standard Forex pairs, instruments with non-standard multipliers like commodities and indices require you to manually cross-reference your results with your broker's specification sheets. You can find the direct download link for the .ex4 file along with our full written guide down in the video description. Finding an edge is half the battle. Combining it with rigid position sizing separates gambling from surviving as a professional trader.